Asparagus. Some love it, some most hate it. Well, especially the boiled stuff. But here's a way to cook it that will taste decent. First of all, you'll just grab it up by the end here, bend it over, and it will just naturally clunk off. Toss in the waste disposal. Do this with all of them. Easy as. Right, next up, get in a pan. This one's cold at the moment. You might as well just keep it cold for now because you're going to be doing a marinade. That's about a tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoons of oil right there. You just want to dump in the asparagus like so. We'll be adding a few extra ingredients in a moment. First ingredient, good old minced garlic, of course. Add about is that a teaspoon? I think of it. Next up, I just love the mirin. Gives it a bit of umami and a bit of other things. And of course, dark soy sauce. And you turn the heat on and you just start mixing that all around. Give them a nice even coating. Get on to sort of a medium-high heat, and you'll notice they'll start simmering away in no time. Just make sure you keep mixing them around. Keep mixing them, and after a couple of minutes, they'll be that colour, and you'll take them off the heat. And that's them done, and at this stage, they just taste absolutely lovely. Yum yum.